In this video, I want to show you how to install a new plugin into your WordPress blog. I will show you two ways how you can do that. First is use the plugin from the install the plugin from the server, and the second option is to install a new plugin manually. So first of all, you need to click on the plugin button and then add new. Okay, now we can see some proposals of the plugin. So if you want to install some of them, you can just click on the install now. If you want if you are looking for something else, some different plugin, you need to just put some keyword or the name of the plugin in this window. So I will put something like WordPress form, for example. Okay, let's say that I would like to install this plugin, and so as I said, you need to just hit the button, install now. Now the plugin is installing, and the next step is to click activate. Okay, so and now as we can see, the plugin is activated. So please keep in mind that in some cases you need to do some basic configurations of the plugin, but as I said, depends on the plugin. So there you've got some tutorial provided by the people who built this plugin. Okay, so now I will show you the second option, how you can install the new plugin into WordPress manually. So once again, click on the plugin, add new, and if you do not want to look for the plugin from the server, or just you've got a WordPress on the local host, first of all, what you need to do is you need to find the plugin. So you need to go to the WordPress org, put the name of the plugin. In that case, it can be, for example, Contact Form 7, and then you need to download this zip package onto your desktop. Once you do that, you need to go back to your WordPress blog, and then you need to click on the Upload plugin. Then you need to find the zip package, select that, and click Install Now. Please keep in mind that the file needs to be in the zip format, so you don't need to unzip it before uploading to the WordPress blog. And as you can see, the plugin was unpacked and then installed. And now you need to click Activate plugin to activate your plugin. And as you can see, the plugin was installed successfully and it's activated. And that's all. So as you can see, it's very easy to install a new plugin to your WordPress blog. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, just put me a comment. Thanks for watching.